Ever struggled to talk at the airport? Let's make your next flight stress-free with real English conversations you can use right away. Are you tired of feeling nervous when speaking to airport staff or afraid you'll say something wrong? Don't worry. Today, we'll fix that together. Welcome back to Miss English Channel, where we make English easy for real-life situations. Today's lesson is all about English conversations at the airport. You'll learn how to check in, go through security, and talk to flight attendants with confidence. Before we start, can I ask a small favor? Please like this video and subscribe to Miss English Channel for more fun English lessons every week. Now, let's begin your airport journey. When you arrive at the airport, you go to the check-in counter. You show your passport and ticket. Here are two important phrases. I'd like to check in for my flight to New York. Can I have a window seat, please? Good morning. I'd like to check in for my flight to New York.
Sure. May I see your passport, please?
Here you go. Can I have a window seat, please?
Of course. Here's your boarding pass. Have a nice flight.
Thank you. Sometimes you need to ask where to go or what time your flight leaves. Use these phrases. Where is gate 12? What time does the flight board? Excuse me, where is gate 12?
It's straight ahead and then to your left.
Thank you. What time does the flight board?
At 8:45. You still have some time.
Great, thank you.
Please take off your shoes and belt.
Sure, here you go.
Do you have any liquids or electronics?
Yes, a laptop and a water bottle. I'll take them out.
Thank you, sir. You may go now.
Thanks a lot.
Good evening, sir. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. You're in Group A. We're boarding now.
Perfect. I'm ready to go. Excuse me, may I have some water, please?
Of course. Still or sparkling?
Still water, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your flight.
Excuse me, my bag didn't arrive. What should I do?
Please go to the lost baggage counter.
Okay, here's my baggage tag.
Thank you. We'll find your bag and contact you soon.
Thank you very much. Let's review what you learned today. You practiced how to check in for your flight, ask for information, go through security, board the plane, talk to the flight attendant, report lost baggage. You are now ready to travel confidently in English. Now, here's your challenge. Imagine you're at the airport. Can you say these sentences aloud? I'd like to check in for my flight. Where is gate 12? May I have some water, please? Say your favorite sentence in the comments below. I'll read and reply to you. You did great today. Every word you practiced brings you closer to confident English. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to Miss English Channel, and share it with your friends who love to travel. Before you go, tell me in the comments, where would you love to fly next? Thanks for watching Miss English Channel. See you in the next lesson.